Hey squad, welcome back to part two. Let's begin building out the models that we need for our digital marketer. Okay, so the first thing that we'll notice is a digital marketing agency. They have a name. So let's just add that to our database for a second. So our digital marketer agency, we know that we'll need an ID field. We know we'll need a name field. We'll need a slug field. All right. What else? We know that they'll have a category. For example, this is the marketing category. So let's add a category as well. And we'll go over data types in a second once we finish putting in our features. All right. All right. Introduction. So this is basically an about. So we can call this maybe like a bio. So we could probably have a bio, short description, and then we can have a bio full. All right. What else? They have a rating. It's likely going to be its own table. So there's likely going to be a marketer rating table. Let's see. Overview, hires. Okay. Okay, so you're going to have a service area. It's background checked, number of employees. Okay. Trying to decide how much of this I want to just be on the digital marketers table versus if we have a digital marketers detail table where we use digital marketer as a foreign key and then we just add in different features. Okay. Number of hires. Okay, for number of hires, this is always going to be a dynamic view, or sorry, a dynamic number, right? This person could have 81 hires today and tomorrow get a new job and now it's 82. So this is likely going to be something that we represent as a view. So we're probably not going to use it as a column. All right, serves Houston, Texas. Now we do want a service area. For now, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm pretty sure that they'll be able to have multiple service areas, but for now, we're just gonna keep it super simple. Also, in the future, this could be a foreign key, but for now, we're gonna keep it super simple and just make this a string. All right, for this tutorial. So let's just have service area, and yeah, in a future iteration. We'll make this, we'll clean this up a little bit more, but this is fine for now. Is background check. So let's just add, for now, let's just add this on a table. And if we want to separate it out on a detailed table, we can do that later. So for now, we'll just add a is background checked. All right. Let's see. Num employees. Now this is something we could actually store. It shouldn't change as frequently as the number of jobs they got. So num employees. All right, what else we got? Years in business. So instead of us actually putting a column called years in business, because that's going to be dynamic, we're going to put a field called established year established. And then on our view, what we could do is just do some type of dynamic calculation between, what today is or what this year is versus their year they're established. So this is also going to be pretty dynamic. So let's put year established. Okay, what else we got? All right, social media. To keep this one really simple, I am actually going to just put this on this table to keep this extremely simple. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to say social media one social media, one label. All right, social media one value. And we're just gonna copy this a few times. And in the future, if we want to update the schema, then we can. I like to just start first with just like a Excel or a spreadsheet database, and then I make my way to a SQLite database, and then we get into Postgre. And like when you do it in that way, when you get to Postgre, like it's just way easier. So I'm going to continue this. I'm going to do this for 5. I'm going to give them like 5 handles. This way this can be you guys will see later. So I'm gonna finish this off, and I'm gonna finish off creating the columns that we need. And in the next video, what I'll do is review the final schema. Okay, so we need to finish off basically just for our digital marketer for now. We need to finish off all the different features we would need to store about our digital marketer that will allow us to render this information on this page dynamically. Okay, all right guys, I will see you in the next tutorial.